Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Yeah. Decode and case, be careful. Why? Because this is a regularly used concept and also interviewer, most of the interview questions, they are interested to ask in a decode. Now that's why now yesterday just I'm telling decode same like a if condition, no else if clauses, or otherwise if then else if clause in a where in a PLSQL, but internally is equal to operators based working. But decode function syntax only difficult, or remaining is easy. And now here observe here, if column name is equal to value 1, these statements are executed. If column name is equal to value 2, these statements are executed. Otherwise, else part. Okay. Now, actually, these are so many uses are there. Conditionally, so many uses are there here. Now, check it out. For example, don't write it. Don't write it. Just observe it before we are starting that one. Actually, in the olden days, we are writing about roll up and cube. We are observing or not. Select a department number is there, comma, sum of salary only. Don't write it here. From EMP here, group space by here, sorry. Now here group space by department number. This is the way we are writing a what reports. In this case, grand total I want to display means just we are using a what? A roll up cube. We are using or not? Yes, one of these days already have an idea. Now, slowly, don't write it. Now here, check it out. How beautiful intro questions means observed here. Here, null value is there. In this case, I want to display some message. Here, grand total, because end user not understandable that one. That's why, yes, in place of this one, I want to display message, grand total, I want to display. Grand total, I want to display anything. Total I want to display. And now here, yes, grand total or total summarized data, I want to display message, the reporting system side. That's why in place of null value, I want to display message means conditionally we are using. Actually, how means, don't read it, don't just observe it here. How means in a future, not today, now here, just observe it here. Another function is there. Grouping is a function is there. Don't worry. Up to now, we are not learning about this one, grouping ID. Next, we are learning in this case statement side. Don't worry. Grouping function is there. That grouping function always returns a what? Null value place 1, and when any values are there 0, it will be returns. Observe it here. Null value place 1 only, and 0 place, okay, sorry, okay, any values are there 0, it will be returned. Where the 1 is there, if grouping department number is equal to 1 is there, in that case I want to display message. In that case only, if condition we are writing only. That's why this type of construction, your experienced person means we are putting a what in a decode. Decode of if this department number is a 1, okay, this grouping ID is a 1 is there, then I want to display message. Now here, yes, grand total, anything possible or not? Yes, observe here. Grand total, okay, fine. For example, okay, just I'm interested to display message. Otherwise, in that all the other, okay, so suppose here, now here grand total. Yes, again remaining all the cases, okay, only 1 is there, then only in that case, grand total I want to display. Yes, remaining all the cases, this department number I want to display. And now here, how much beautiful. And now here, check it out here automatically. Yes, here grand total is a message, it will display or not. Here in all the cases, department number 10, 20, 30, it will display. That is else part only. Here, suppose this one else part you are not writing means null values are displayed. Okay, fine. Null values are displayed like this here. Now here, that's why here a dangerous mechanism, else part also so many times plays a major important role. Other than that value means just here that column I want to display only that column values, it will display. Again here some messages, okay, here departments, anything also in a feature we are using only departments like this only. And now here automatically, yes, this is a report, it will be generated or not, or departments 10, 20, 30 here grand total. Here it will be written. So maybe end user reporting side, this is very helpful or not. This is most powerful enter questions in a future. Okay, don't worry. Up to now we are not discussing. That's why always decode function properly on idea. So many things we are using only in a real-time project side. In a real-time project side, we are using a what? So many things. That's a decode function. First function syntax you must familiar. Okay, fine. Syntactically only problem. Remaining experienced person side, anything also they are using. Now check it out. Suppose for example, this is a table is there. Select a e name, comma. Now here, yes, here job is there. From EMP, something is there. Okay, for example, EMP. Now here order by e name, something is there. Okay, fine. Now in this case here, A, B, C, D, this order, the okay, sorting order, it will display, but I don't want like this. Here I want my own name. King is a first, Ford is a next. Like this only, my own way I want to sorting a data means we can also use an order by class decode conversion function in a feature. Okay, decode of, yes, here e name is a what? Suppose here King is there. That is I want first means one. Okay, fine. That data also order by class side we are sorting. Now here, yes, here, suppose here, now here Ford is a what employee, a second I want. Again here Smith is an employee, third I want. My own wish, anything also we are controlling. Now here, check it out. Here, like this only, yes, start. Now here, just observe it here, this type of this one. Order by decode e name, if e name is equal to King, then 1, 2, or single quotes. Okay. Yes, here. Now check it out. Here, observe it here. Yes, automatically. Here, King, here, Ford, here, Smith. It will display or not? Yes, here. That's why so many things are there in a reporting system side. That's why decode so many fellows and prayer asking. Enter question. These are beautiful concepts only. That's why decode and case, it will take a time also. Don't worry. Why? Because those are very, 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 very important interview questions. But unfortunately, before they are asking a interview questions, compulsory they are checking syntactically good knowledge is there or not. They are checking syntactically good knowledge is there or not. How they are checking? So much of data they are giving only in that one. Fastly tell me the output they're asking only. Whenever they're asking output, don't afraid only. Simple techniques today I'm telling. First techniques, interview question techniques I'm telling. Then we are starting this one. Observe here. If column name, this decoding value, if column name is equal to value 1, then these statements are executed. If column name is equal to value 2, then these statements are executed. Otherwise, remaining all the cases, this else part only. Else means in the sense not else only, remaining all the values filled with the what? That value. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now, all the things understandable before we are going to start that one. Now, check it out. Concentrate here. First, inter question side. Okay, inter question in the sense not a column, just outside data. Suppose here so many entries, how they are beautifully they are asking me is, so now here first they are writing a what? Select. Don't write it here. Decode of some techniques I will tell you. Don't worry. Decode of here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this only. So many things they are writing only. Otherwise, characters they're writing. Otherwise, dates, anything they're writing. What is the output? They're asking fastly. Now, what is the output they're asking is don't afraid only. Simple technique I'm giving only through that one without any knowledge of the way data syntaxes, all the things. Easily you are telling what outputs. How means observe here. Simple technique I will tell you. Technique first. Technique observe here. Whenever they're asking what this output means, don't afraid. Just here you are a good professional means I am telling what simple technique. First one, leave this one. First value, we are leave this one only. Okay, now. So now here, okay. Internally condition based, observe here. First value, we are leave this one. And second value onwards, pairwise select it. First, pairwise observe it here. Yes, 2, 3 is a pair. Again, 4, 5 is a pair. Again, 6, 7 is a pair. And the last only 8 is there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now, we have to check it out, compare a what? First value with the what? Each and every pair first value. Yes, so first value with the what? Each and every pair first value, we have to compare it. Now compare it. Compare means is equal to internally. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now, 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. No, that's why 3 is not an answer. Second pair value not answer. Again, 1 is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 4. No. So now that's why 5 is not output. 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so now here, no, not matching only. That's why 7 is not output. 8 is output only. Simple. Observe here. Yes, simple. Again, I'm telling only. Now here. First value compare with the what? Each and every pair first value. Suppose except first value, I'm telling a what fastly this one. Why? Because this is a experiment only. Now here, observe here. Only my rule, this rule is only failure in a way. One case I will tell you, don't worry. One case only difficult, remaining all the case working. Suppose here except first value, yes, pair wise we have to divide it. Now here this first value compared with the what? First value of each pair. 1 is equal to 2, not matching. That's why 3 is not output. Again, 1 is equal to 4, not matching. That's why 5 is not output. 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so now here not matching. That's why 7 is not output. Here default value is else what is there or not? 8 is output only. Now really that is correct or not? Check it out. Now I try to execute here. 8, it will be displayed. Based on this technique only, fastly tell me something I'm asking only, maybe all are telling what correct answers, I think. Decode of here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, so now here 1 comma, so now here 5 comma, now here 6 comma 7, anything I'm writing only, for example, now here from easily, nobody mistaken, I think. What is the output? Fast. What is the output? Fast. Tell me easily. Very good. All are telling the correct. Okay, so now why? Because now here, yes, 5 is output. No, yes, why? Because except 1. Okay, except first value, pairwise selected. 2 comma 3, 1 comma 5, and 6 comma 7. And observed here, very good. So many fellows are telling correct. 5 is output, correct. And now check it out. Screen observed. Here, what I'm asking only observed here. Now check it out here, pairwise. Now just fastly, okay, so output telling purpose only these techniques. Except first value here, 2 3 is a 1 pair, 1 5 is a 1 pair, and 6 7 is a 1 pair. Now this first value compared with the what? First value in each pair. 1 is equal to 2, not matching. That's why 3 is not output. Second pair, okay. Second value in a pair only. And now first value in a pair, compare it. And now 1 is equal to 1, matching or not? Very good, matching. 1 is equal to 1, matching means yes, here 5 is output. Okay, na? That a pair second value is okay, output only. And now very good. Yes, you are guessing correct. Yes, 5 only. But unfortunately, my rule is failure in a way. Failure in the sense confusing only in a one case one. What is that one case? Me is observed here. Now observe here. Suppose I am writing a what? This is a little bit of difficult. Observe here. 1 comma 5. Okay, na? Comma 1 comma 7. I am writing only. What is the output? Maybe guess it. Maybe guess it. Now you are guessing means great, really. Very good. So many fellows are telling what 5 comma 7. Now so many fellows are telling, but unfortunately 5 comma 7 is a wrong output. That is the only problem. Now here, only first value only it will be written. Second value it does not return. In a very decode side. Now here, observe here. That is only confusing. So many fellows are only this is a problem is there. My technique only. Now check it out. 2 comma 3 is there. 1 comma 5 is there, and 1 comma 7 is there. Now if 1 is equal to 2, not matching. That's why 3 is not output. 1 is equal to 1, matching only 5 is output, but it does not okay return a what 7. Actually 1 is equal to 1, so okay, matching only 7 is output, but it does not return only. Condition remaining condition does not check. And now here in this case, when our condition is true, now check it out. That's why only 5 it will be displayed. Only this is only confusing state. 5 comma 7 we are thinking, but here only 5 in this case. Okay, one value only it will be written, not a two values like this only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now last output, maybe you are only telling 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7. I am writing only. What is the output? Fast. What is the output? Very good. You are not telling any output means now here great, correct only. Why? Because now here null value, no. Why? Because very good. Null some fellows are telling 2 3. Here 4 5 and 6 7. And now here 1 is equal to 2, not matching. Okay, 3 is not output. 1 is equal to 4, not matching. 5 is not output. 1 is equal to 6, not matching. 7 is not an output only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, here like this. First, these values we are writing only. Okay, so now here based on some situation. Then we are starting a subject wise only column side where we are using what is that one, those all the decoding side stuff I'm telling you. First, this inter question side, in a characters, in a strings, in a dates, in a numbers they are giving me. So don't afraid only because big numbers they're writing only 10 or okay, 7 or 8 or anything values they're writing because confusing purpose only. That's why not only column value here, actually value plus searched value is comparing value only. Whenever value we match with the compared value, then okay, so now it will output only. That is the original. But I am writing only column side. Okay, write it first. Example, write it without any knowledge of the way that syntax knowledge only. Just everyone. Only 1 comma 7, 5 comma 7 is there. No, only that is the only problem. Remaining all the things may be easy, I think. Generally if condition, but explicitly fastly telling outputs purpose this one. Okay, na? And now here underline everyone like this here. Except first value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 more single values. Again, next here 2, 3, here 1, 5, and 6, 7. Then here we have to arrow mark also write it better, no? 1 is equal to 2, matching, no, not matching. That's why here 3 is not a output. Again, 1 is equal to 1, matching. Okay, na? 1 is equal to 1, matching. Here 5 is output. Write it slowly. Hello. Completed this one. Now here, this null also write it. Null also write it. First practice purpose. Okay, observe here finished. This null also write it because else part is there not there. No, yeah, this one. And now here practice purpose. One thing I'm telling only. Now finished. Now here check it out. This is a table is there. Select a star from EMP table. Again here, select a star from DEPT table is there. Any books we are referring means this example is there. What is the example? Actually here 10, 20, 30 is there. But here accounting names are not, D names are not there in EMP table. Suppose 10 means accounting, 20 means research, 30 means sales. I want to display in this table means then we are using a what decode. Okay, this decode, the values that doesn't have an idea. In this one, numbers are converted into where strings, any messages, possible, conditionally. Now that's why what I am writing means select here, and now here, yes, in place of here, ename I want to display, salary I want to display, department number I want to display from EMP, for example. Okay, fine. Here, in place of 10, accounting I want to display. In place of 20, so research I want to display. In place of 30, yes, sales I want to display. Otherwise, any other messages. End user understandable purpose in a select statement. Possible, possible. How can I mean? Just observe it here. Here only we are using a what? A D code. In a select statement only we are applying D code of. Yes, here column name, syntax column name also there or not? Yes, department number. Yes, if department number is equal to 10, comparing values, each and every value it will be searching. E name is equal to Smith, then okay. If department number is equal to 10, job is equal to president, like this. If department number is equal to 10, in a column is there, in that column value searching only. Server is searching a what? If condition based only. And now searching one by one by values, it will be searching only, not only outside if condition. Here in a single column we are using means it will be searching only. If department number is equal to 10 is there, then what we can do? Your own wish, anything, any messages, anything operations, anything also. But here I want to display, if department number is equal to 10, I want to display this message 10 like this. Okay, now here, yes, here again. Otherwise, here accounting possible or not? Yes, your own wish. But 10 I am telling only easiness purpose. Okay, yes, here 10 is a message. Suppose here second value it will be searching. If department number is equal to 20, here again department number we are not allowed to use. One time column is enough. 20. Then I want to display message which one? 20. Okay, fine. Anything. Okay, just here roughly idea purpose. And now here remaining all other values I don't want to. Suppose department number is equal to 30. So now here, yes, here I want to display 30. Otherwise, remaining all the values, else part only others I want to display. Possible or not? Yes, possible. And now here check it out. So now here, yes, oh, maybe 10 means 10, 20 means 20, 30 means others, it will be displayed or not? Yes, this is the reporting side. In place of number, it will display what? Strings also possible or not? Yes, here, write it this one. Idea purpose. If condition is not only outside data, but also in a column, it will be searching if condition based. First value, second value, third value, like this. Department number, D code of department number. Complete it fast. Output also roughly write it. Okay, in this column, some number of values searching means if condition 10, then 10 is a message. 20, then 20 is a message. Remaining other places, others. Okay, yes, here. Now this is select statement, just idea purpose. If condition idea purpose. Based on this knowledge, so many things we are learning. Most powerful. First, now here, I want to modify the data based on the where conditions means you are writing means great. Then only pivoting, then only decoding order by, then only another thing. So many things I'm telling. Write it first one. Update the write it. This is our intro questions only one by one. Update the employee commission Commission column is there. Update the employee commission within EMP table. Within EMP table. Based on following conditions. Based on following conditions. By using decode function. By using decode function. First one. If job is equal to clerk, then update commission is roughly you are writing. Okay? Yes, commission is 10% of salary. Again, if job is equal to salesman, then update commission is a 20% of salary. If job is equal to analyst, then update commission is 30% of salary. Else means remaining. Okay, update commission is 40% of salary. Write it this one. First one you are writing is great actually, first time. Slowly 1 or 2 minutes read this one and write it. Paste and decode. Only syntax only difficult, but slowly you are thinking logically means because if condition whenever there in a project side always decode. But be careful this one. Logic is not important here. Which one we are using, that is important. Finished. All are writing fast. Last 1 minute only. Try it. Maybe you are experienced person, you are writing, I think, because end of the class assignment skills, no? Yeah, maybe you are writing, I think. Simple, not a difficult. What is the if condition, which column? Then slowly 1 or 2 times you are reading means you are understandable. Slowly. Yes, very good. Okay, the 4 fellows are writing, but 2 of them, okay, correct. 3 of them correct. Yes, very good. And now here, nothing is there. Okay, conditionally we are modifying the data means there is no choice in SQL, only decode. That's all. Nowadays case is there. Don't worry. And now here old end is this one only. That's why very important. This is a PL means if conditions they are writing. C++ Java means if we are using, but SQL non-procedure language there is no choice decode. But unfortunately here decode we are using in this case which one? Update statement, that is important. Already I'm telling NVL2 for some function, I'm telling you first initial state. No, write a query means select statement. Update first they are giving means update statement. That's why in update statement you are using or not, check it out purpose. I am not telling anything. Very good. 4 members are writing, or 3 fellows are update, they are correctly writing. Very good, correct. Write a query means select statement. Okay, yes, very good. Update. Okay, yes, here update. Now here check it out. Here, how can I don't write it 1 minute only? Okay, so many fellows are trying. Very good. Because syntactic knowledge means that's why intro asking this type of things. Update table name. So update the employee commission within EMP table they're asking. Okay, na? Yes, here. Update table name. What is the table name is there? Now here, yes, here. EMP set here. Yes, which values we are modifying? Commission values we are modifying only. Okay, na? Update table name set here. Commission is equal to, okay, because update commission is equal to new value means here NVL2 function in a olden days we are using, same like here decode function we are using. Is conditionally, commission means conditionally means here if job is equal to clerk. That's why here which column we are using? Some fellows are writing salary, no, job here if condition. Yeah, that's why be careful. Job based on if condition where the column is there, that column we are passing. If job is equal to, in a previous case, if a department number is equal to something, I'm telling or not. Yesterday, I'm telling if then else if constructs or not. Yes, here that is a key concept only. That is you are identifying only. And now check it out. If job is equal to which one? Clerk is equal to not there internally there. Yes, clerk only. Then commission is a what? 10% of the salary. Okay, anything. And now if job is equal to, it will be searching like this. Within the job column, clerk is there. Then this one, it will be written. Commission is updated into where this one. Only syntax, only problem. Okay. 10% of commission means 0.1 into salary, anything. Okay, so 10% of salary commission. Okay, yes, 0.1, anything. For that calculation, big calculation, but easiness purpose, 0.1. Some fellows are writing salary into 0.1. Possible or not? Yes, here. Salary into 0.1 or 0.1 into salary, comma. Here again. Yes, here. Again, salesman. Now here, yes, salesman. Okay, fine. Salesman. If job is equal to salesman, then one thing we are writing is all the things very easy. But first time only difficult. Now here 0.2 into salary, so commission. Okay, na? Yes, here again. Now here, yes, another one is what? Analyst. Now here analyst. Here analyst. If job is equal to analyst, then here now 0.3 into salary, like this. Otherwise, remaining all the values place only. Here 40% means 0.4 into where? Salary, like that or not. That's why update statement you are writing or not, check it out purpose. That's why same like a normal functions, we can also use an select statement, we can also use an decode statement, we can also use an order by clause, we can also using a what function with another function. So many things are there. But if then else if construct correctly you are using means nothing is there. Copy this one. I try to execute here and now check it out. This a table is there. Now select a star from EMP is a table. Okay. Na? In this table, I want to update values only based on the conditions. Okay. Na? Yes, here. And now here, check it out. How can I? This a table is there. Select star from EMP is a table. Here I'm using only 14 rows are updated. Select here star from EMP. What is their intention? They're asking me, oh, maybe commission values here or something values are there or not based on the salary once commission is updated or not. Yes, here. Write it fast. Very good. So many fellows are writing correct. That's why job is a column we are passing as a if condition. Okay, na? Yes. In that one, slowly, only first time practice. So only syntactically not good first time newcomer. Already I'm telling first initial stage. Okay, experienced persons means syntactically they're good. Newcomer means syntactically they are not good, but logically everyone is same. Write it this one. That's why slowly. Pivoting I will tell you, and also completed. Yes, next. Absolute here. Actually, this T code regularly using a pivoting is a concept is there. Don't worry. One by one, I'm telling. Experience. This is very important. Pivoting. What is pivoting? Up to now, I'm not telling 11G. Pivot function also there in this chapter. That's why this chapter is most powerful. Side heading. Pivoting. This is not a pivot. Pivoting. Okay, now what is pivoting means nothing is there. Anybody having idea? Matrix in a mathematics is there. In this matrix only, transportation of a matrix is there or not? Transportation of the matrix means rows are converted into where? Columns. Columns are converted into where? Rows only. That is called yes. Okay, so now transportation of a matrix or not? Transportation of the matrix. That's why same concept in a way relational database side, pivoting, unpivoting, that telling. What is pivoting? Pivoting is the most powerful concept in every relational database. That's why first we are telling pivot. Pivoting means suppose department number is a column is there. Okay. In this column, some rows are there. Here, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30. Some rows are there or not? These rows are suppressed. Only one time only that value reduce the number of rows in each group. That value is automatically converted into where rows are converted into where columns wise. Here columns wise. Here column. Again, these all the rows are reduced and only one time only this 20 is there. Same like a group is there, no? But this row is converted into where columns. That's why rows are converted into where columns. And also display aggregate function values in a where in a tabular format. Aggregate function value means sum, average, something is there or not. Aggregate function values in a tabular format, that is called pivoting in every database. Three concepts are there in every relational database. One is auto increment, another one is pivoting. These all the things are very important only. And now pivoting, anybody asking is don't mistake. Rows are converted into where columns and also display aggregate function values in a tabular form, that is called pivoting only. Suppose in a Oracle 11G onwards, pivot function is there directly. Okay, next we are telling, don't worry in this chapter. But unfortunately, yes, olden days, how they are achieving a pivoting report means decode function through they are achieving. How means first observe it here, at least construction you have an idea, then you are understandable. Oh, this is the format is called pivoting. Suppose observe it here, select, don't write it. Already group by class reports you have an idea. See, each individual group function, there is no problem in a where database project said. Already I'm telling in a previous classes, first initial classes anybody attending. Then in this case, group function with in a column means it won't work. Aggregatable columns already I'm telling or not. Yes, here it won't work. Why? Because normal columns are executed record by record. Group functions are executed all values at a time. That's why synchronization is not there. In that case only we are using a what? Group space by other than group function column. This is a number data column. Okay, sorry. This is a job. Sorry. Job only. And now here job. And now here job is a column we are using only. Okay, I'm telling or not. Other than group function column we are using. That's why group by classes first we are using. Within a group by class, in a group function is there. In this group function, we are applying a what? Decode conversion function within another function. In that case, automatically pivoting reports are generated. That is the beauty of the where yes, a decode function. Suppose here group by classes queries are there like this. Okay, fine. Yes, okay. Yes, here whenever we are using a what? Here group space by, here job is a column is there or not. This is the way group by class report is there. Observe here. Job, clerk, salesman, analyst, manager, president. But here I want to display 10 row is a what column, yes, 20 row in a column, a 30 row in a where column, and also aggregate function values I want to display in a tabular format. Tabular format only, tabular form I want to display means that is called pivoting. How means in a olden days, 1 minute observe here. Now check it out. Here they are using a what simple technique. Within a group by class queries, group functions are there. Within these group functions, they're applying a what? Yes, here decode conversion function, decode. If decode of department number, which column rows values are converted into column, that one. If department number is equal to 10, then take a salary that is called 10th department salary. And now here observe here how much is it. This is I am giving a what alias name is a what department number 10. For example, now I try to execute this one. Yes, automatically department number 10 is there or not. Really 10 is a row, but this is column wise display. Again here, once we are constructing that one, copy it in a where, paste it in a where each and every times, nothing is there. First we are constructing properly. And now here each and every time that construction number of times we are using because each and every value is a what? So now tabular format. Now check it out. If department number is equal to 20, okay, na? Yes, here. Then 20th department salary, sum of salary only. That is nothing but a what? 20th department sum of salary. Now check it out. Yes, automatically 20th department sum of salary. Server is take care that report only. But how it is working, that is important. Now check it out. Again 30th department also I want to generate a what? That report means if department number is equal to 30, first time newcomer means a big concept only, but normal experience person means nothing is there. And now here check it out. Yes, at least you outputs observe it here. Yes, here. This is a 10, 20, 30 is there. These are rows. Rows are converted into columns are there or not? Yes, here. And also display aggregate function values in a tabular form is there or not? That is called pivoting only. In this pivoting side, within a group functions, a decode conversion function they are using in a where in a real-time project before 11G. But 11G onwards, direct function is there. That is also I will tell you. But pivoting users in a reporting side in a olden days, I am telling only. Okay, na? Yes, fastly write it. Pivoting, side heading, write it. In all relational databases, suppressing compulsory values, don't duplicate value. In all relational databases, right? In all relational databases, rows are converted into rows. Rows are converted into columns, and also display aggregate aggregate means group function, aggregate function values in tabular form, tabular form is called pivoting. Write it. Next paragraph. In Oracle, if you want to achieve pivoting reports, then we must use decode conversion function in group by class query. In group by class query. In group by class query. Okay, group by class query. Okay, yeah. Now first this one write it. First normal query we are writing, through that one outputs we are writing. Suppose your normal query this one. This one we are converting into a pivoting report. That's better. Otherwise confusing. Yeah. Now write it. Example. Normal query. Now this one. First this one write it. Group by class query compulsory. Experience concept. Write it. This one. Finished up. This the theory finished up. Yes. This query and output write it. This theory, anybody not writing this, that is write it. That is also important. Output also write it roughly. Now write it. Convert into pivoting. Write it. Convert into pivoting. 140 into 540. So what I can say, okay? Yeah. This one I did fast. That alias name double quotes same. You're a first time newcomer means always output write it, because output means this format only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now this report write it. Fastly write it. This report note it down, because we are first time newcomer. Oh, maybe table or format only. It will display tabular form. Okay, now roughly in a values, not a problem. Not a exact values, anything. Okay, it's a format only. Okay, remaining tomorrow I will tell you. Connect PLS. Tomorrow I will tell you.